If your friend ever calls you in the middle of the night, don't answer it, because my phone was ringing at 2 a.m. last night, so I awoke from my slumber to see who was calling me, and it was my friend. Now, this guy is not a night person, so I would have expected him to be sleeping, which made me think something serious must have been happening for him to be calling me at this time. So I nervously pick up the call, and I just hear a smacking sound. I say, "Hello? Is anyone there?" Then my friend finally goes, "Tyler?" And I say, "Yes." Then he says, "Hey, you have an air fryer, right?" So I tell him I do. Then he responds with, "Can you tell me how to use this thing? I'm trying to reheat my pizza, but I've never used one of these before." First of all, you called and woke me up at 2 a.m. because you're reheating food and needed help. And second of all, it's an air fryer. You just put the food in and set the timer. I thought he was in danger or something. Meanwhile, this man was just going for a midnight snack.